In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube short video. So first things you need to go in and log in with YouTube Studio. So I open YouTube Studio on my PC. Now I need to going on content. You can see left side content. Then again you need to going on this short. This is a short option. Now you need to choose which shorts you want to delete. For example purpose I delete this short, just select one. Then again you need to click on more action, then click on delete forever. Then again I understand that, then this tick mark, then click on delete forever. That's it, your work are finished. So this is a method how you can delete short video on YouTube. If you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.